Hey everybody, it's Miles here, and today I'm going to show you mass times velocity with multiplication and division, and of how to get that velocity. So I'm going to set it up like this. I'm going to do mass times velocity equals the quantity. So I did mass times the velocity equals quantity. Some people might think this is math and science, and it is. It is math and science. It is science and math. So yeah, science and math, math and science. It doesn't matter how you call it. Math and you get the idea. But let's get back to this. So I did mass times velocity equals the quantity. So let's set it up like this. Let's say we do 31 times velocity equals, let's say we do 10 quantity. The quantity of 10. So what I did is 31 times velocity equals the quantity of 10. Now, we're not done yet. So here's how you get that velocity. So I'm going to draw my line right here. So now, in order to get the velocity, we have to do the opposite of multiplication. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So we divide it by 31 and do the same thing to the right. And we get 1v. That cancels out. And what's 10 divided by 31? .32. And that is the velocity. That is how you get that velocity. That is how you get the velocity. So in order to get the velocity, you have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So yeah. Let's do another one. Alright. I'm gonna do the same thing for this first one. Mass times velocity equals the quantity. Okay. Now, let's set it up like this. Let's do a different number. Let's do let's do 2 times velocity equals, let's say we do 8. The quantity of 8. So yeah, what I did is 2 times velocity equals the quantity of 8. Now, we're still not done. Got to draw a line here. So now, again, in order to get the velocity, you have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we have to divide it by 2. So it's going to be 1v again, 1 velocity, equals, that cancels out. What's 8 divided by 2? 4. So our velocity for this one is 4. Okay. So, that is how you do mass times velocity with multiplication and division. So you do mass times the velocity equals the quantity, and then do numbers. And then in order to get the velocity, you have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. And then you solve it and then get it. So yeah. Looks like everybody should understand it because I taught you this just now. So yeah.